5 reasons marriage green cards are denied.
Hi, this is immigration attorney Edwin Fogam. What are the top 5 reasons why marriage-based green cards are denied? That is our question for today. I'll give them to you. The first is that the couple or the applicant and petitioner failed to demonstrate a good faith marriage. What is a good faith marriage? A good faith marriage is a marriage that has not been entered into solely for immigration purposes or has not been entered into just for the purpose of obtaining permanent resident status. In other words, the goal is not to circumvent immigration laws. Now, many times this is a nebulous concept. However, there are a few things that can demonstrate whether a marriage is a good faith marriage or not. First, shared life together, right? Secondly, joint assets and liabilities, documents demonstrating joint assets and liabilities. And third, intimate knowledge of yourselves. So these things can avoid the first main reason why most marriage-based green cards are denied. The second reason why most marriage-based green cards are denied is past immigration record or errors, as well as some criminal records. Now, before you submit your application, you need to know that there is nothing in your immigration background that can come up to prevent you from adjusting your status or to present the petition form being granted. There are things like prior sham marriages, prior frivolous applications that were filed, and so on. The third reason why many marriage-based green cards are denied is that minor errors and inconsistencies in the applications can be indicative of the fact that the marriage is not really a valid or a good faith marriage. And the fourth reason is the financial obligation. In other words, there is a financial requirement, the affidavit of support from I-864. Many times, applicants do not take this seriously, but if that financial requirement is not met by the petitioner, either solely or with a joint or co-sponsor, then the application or the petition will be denied. And finally, the main reason why most marriage-based green cards are denied comes from the interview, right? The interview process, especially in cases where the couple are separated. Volunteering information that has not been asked, guessing, embellishing your application or your relationship. These things can affect your interview. And there are other strategic aspects regarding the interview that you need to take into consideration. We usually prepare our clients very well before the interview. We make sure they understand what they're going to face, how to answer the questions, because sometimes you can be trapped or you can be tricked into answering a question that you did not have to answer, or your intention was not to provide the information you provided. So if you would like to know how to proceed, if you have a case that you are considering, please feel free to contact us. Our phone number is 301-608-1555. You can also shoot us an email at info@fogamlaw.com or ekfogam@fogamlaw.com. Look forward to seeing you.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button and leave us a review in the comments.